So guys, I think this would be the last part of the video. I think in that area, that's my plan. Just in that area. That's my plan to stay there and uh, record a video and take a picture. Wait for the sunrise. And if possible, sea of clouds, if I can see it there. But unfortunately, I can't. I need to go home now. Maybe next I can see next day, because in that area actually it is starting to show the sunrise in that area. Actually there's a tourist in Mount Kopapui, but hopefully they will, if they stay there up beyond 7 or 8 o'clock AM, then it is better for them to U-turn. What I mean U-turn is that they will walk the trail that they have walked going to Mount Kopapui is the trail they will walk again going home, going to homestay where they have checked in, because they can't walk to in any of the rice fields. They are forbidden, even if no one is seeing them, even if they are far, and there's a 90% tendency that no one is watching them. Still the tour guide should know about it, and even the homestay. So I think that's the sunrise is already in there. Actually on the ice it's already good, but my camera can't record it. And it is already up there again. I don't know, maybe the other day, but seeing the beauty of it makes me want to stay longer here at the rice field. Although it is very early, it is already 5:19 AM only, but it is what it is. So guys, I think this is the last part. And thank you guys for watching, and God bless. I hope you have learned something new, not just on my video, not just on what I have explained or what I said, but I hope you have also observed the way I talk, the way I explain, the way I take camera, something like that. And comment down below for me to improve myself to improve it. And of course, if you know that it is applicable to you, then apply it to yourself also. That's all, guys, and thank you.